Are you tired of writing content that nobody finds? Learn how to create search-friendly content in minutes with Semrush. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Semrush's content marketing platform to research topics and generate an optimized brief. Start by heading to Semrush folders to take control of your data. Click on the highlighted area. Click on the next highlight to move forward. Click on the highlighted element to continue. Click on Create Search-Friendly Content in Minutes. Click Try it now for free to start your trial. Click on Subscribing to see the subscription options. Click on How your free trial works to learn more. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.